Hello, welcome on my channel Anka in the Kitchen. I will show you today how to prepare extremely delicious smashed potatoes. I make smashed potatoes for dinner very often. I like them especially with garlic and horseradish. What ingredients do we need? 6-7 peeled potatoes, 1 tablespoon of butter, 2-3 tablespoons of milk, 1 tablespoon of horseradish, 3 cloves of garlic and 1 teaspoon of salt. First, I cut potatoes into smaller pieces. They will be much faster cooked. I add cut cloves of garlic. They improve the flavor of potatoes. I also add salt and boil everything until potatoes are tender. I put them together with garlic into the bowl. I add butter, horseradish and milk. I mashed everything with a potato masher. It's important to mash until potatoes are hot. When mashing is finished, I placed potatoes on a plate using scoop. In this way, I form yellow potato balls, which at the end we can sprinkle with chopped dill. I'd like to invite you to visit my blog ankainthekitchen.com and subscribe my YouTube channel. Enjoy your meal with Anka.